Good morning, children. Today we will discuss map work of chapter 5. In chapter 5, there are some bridges are located and we have to find out the state where these bridges are located. Number 1 is Lakshman Jhula. Children, Lakshman Jhula is located in Uttarakhand. In this map, you can see here is Uttarakhand. In state, Lakshman Jhula is situated. Next one is Howrah Bridge. Howrah Bridge is located in West Bengal. You can see here is a West Bengal. Number 3 is Golden Bridge. Golden Bridge is located in Gujarat. Children, you can see here Gujarat. And last one is the Bandra Sea Link Bridge. Bandra Sea Link Bridge is situated in state Maharashtra. Now we will discuss value based questions of chapter 4. Here is the value based of chapter 4. Value based is each resident has to follow the certain rules to maintain a clean neighborhood. What steps can be taken by the children of your age to make sure that your surroundings do not have a foul smell, garbage heaps, germs, and mosquitoes? Here the answer is we should not throw garbage here and there. We should plant trees around our houses. We should ensure regular disposal of garbage. Stop water from stagnating. Reuse, recycle, and reduce the amount of wastage. Now come to the value-based question of chapter 5. This is a mall is being constructed in Mumbai. People are working day and night to complete the project. Viren, an electrician, was standing on an iron ladder with very fit. While working, he got an electric shock. Question number 1. What precaution Viren could have taken before starting his work? Answer is Viren should choose the right ladder, number 1. Number 2, Viren should wear the right safety gear. Here is question number 2. What should you do in such an emergency? We can call local emergency services. Keep the shocked person warm, lying down and still until the ambulance arrives. Number 3. What is the importance of awareness and responsibility in performance of our duties? Answer is importance of awareness. We can adopt better and be more productive. Next, we have to be completely aware to improve and change.